everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. I do a few unboxings of all beauty products, anywhere from makeup, hair care, and skincare, and I try to do a couple of vlogs for my travels. I am a flight attendant, so I go travel all over the world, but mainly I do beauty products. So this month's unboxing, or this video's unboxing, is BoxyCharm, and this is the BoxyLuxe for the month of June 2019. Alright, let's get into it. It's a pretty heavy box. I am sitting again in my bathroom floor. Okay, so in the box, you open it up, it comes, it's pretty heavy. Put this in here. It comes like this, has a little pamphlet, and this time it's called BoxyCharm Getaway, and it tells you all about the products that you're going to be getting. And it looks like there's a lot of products here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 products. And each box is supposed to be valued at about $250 or more. And how this works is every 3 months or every quarter you get a BoxyLuxe. It's $21.99 plus $28.99 to be about $50 every 3 months. You can get BoxyLuxe and BoxyCharm, but I believe if you want BoxyCharm by itself, you have to get a different subscription account. This month I only got the BoxyLuxe. Again, it's called Getaway. Let's get right into it. Oh, it looks like the first one. What is this? Comes in a bag. And this is PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. Shut the front door hair dryer. Oh wow. A little hair dryer. Oh, and it's cute, color pink. All right. Let's see. Oh, it comes with little accessories. The little diffuser. This should be coming in handy. Normally the hotels I stay at, or my company puts me up at, always has. It's pretty nice hotels, most of them. They have hair dryers. But this will come in handy. You can always use an extra hair dryer just in case. Again, this is from PYT. They do mostly styling tools for the hair. Okay, let's get rid of that thing. Next, oh, cool. And I believe this month I got to choose what I wanted. I got to choose 2 different things. And I chose this product from Tarte. It's Tarte's Pro Glow Cheek Palette version 3. Oh, and again, and each pamphlet tells you which version you're getting. So I'm getting 6 B as in Bravo. So again, this is from Tarte's Pro Glow Cheek Palette. Let's open this up. I'm excited. Here's the packaging. Oh, it folds out. Okay. That's pretty. Oops. It's magnetic. It looks like it comes with 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. Oh, let's go and swatch this out. I'm going to go on this side over here. Okay. So let's try. Let's do the blush. So that's the blush. I don't know if you can see that. The highlighter. And the bronzer. Comes out pretty light. Again, I can play around with these colors. I'm excited. And, oh wait, the values of this, excuse me, I'll adjust myself. The value of the PYT Mini Turbo Hair Dryer, it's a value of $85. This little thing is $85. I'm not sure I'd pay $85 for that, but all right. And then the Pro Glow Tarte's Face Palette or Cheek Palette, it's a value of $45. All right, that's more reasonable. I'd pay $45. All right. But $85 for a hairdryer? Come on now. All right, next we have Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. I believe you got other products or other things from No Touch and Soul. And I believe it was another primer from another month of the Boxy Charm boxes. Oh, cool. Okay. It's a Prime Essence Touch and Soul. Oh, okay, you twist it off. Oh, wow, it's pretty drippy. Let's see. Okay. It comes out pretty wet. Not too tacky. Oh, it softens. Ooh, it's soft. It's not oily. It's not sticky. Anything like that. I like it. I'm using that. But again, we do have other products that we received from Touch and Soul. So I'm going to hold on to this. And the value of that is $23. $23 for this. All right. Next, we have Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. Is chlorophyll good for you? I'm not even sure. Okay, but here's the container here. And this is a value of $35. It's powered by a biotic balancing complex. This probiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated, never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. That's exciting. I've got so many cleansers, you guys. Let me see if I can. Oh, it has a little seal on it. I'm not going to open it up, but I will be using, I do like Dr. Brandt products. I know they're pretty pricey. Again, this product is valued at $35. Okay, next we have from Pharmacy, it's a Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum at 30 milliliters. And the value of this is $58. Wow, $58. Can't get it open. Bear with me here. Ah, there it is. Okay. Oh, cool. I like the frosted glass look. Oops, there you go. Honeymoon Glow. Oh, okay. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be bent, but mine is bent. Ooh, it doesn't smell too good. But what do you do with this? How do you use it? This Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. So I guess you put it on before you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA BHA gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Again, this is from Pharmacy and valued at $58. That should be interesting to use. I'm really not crazy about that smell. I don't know how to describe it, but it's not a very pleasant smell. All right, so that's that. Next is, ooh, a big bottle. A big bottle from Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Okay, and this is valued at $29. It says here, it's a full dry volume blast. Make some room on your vanity for a new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection. It's silicone-free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. Is it a dry shampoo? What is this? Okay, let's see. Ooh, it smells pretty. When do I use it? Okay, styling and finishing spray. So it's not dry shampoo. It's more like a styling spray, like a hairspray. Ooh, it smells so pretty. I like that. Next, another product from Trestique. Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Is this mascara? This is pretty big. Let's see. Oh, it comes with a green seal. This is a huge mascara. I'll put that sticker there. Let's read about it first. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Cool Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curl, it's a curler? plus lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind and valued at $25. What the heck? Oh, it says flip down. So I flip this down? Wait. I'm confused. Flip what down? Flip down. Oh, okay, got it. So I flip. Oh, that's cool. So I have my glasses on right now. Let's turn on my beauty light. All right, I'm probably gonna mess up. Okay, wait. So let's see. Stick it on there. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, wow. So I'm not sure. I might hurt myself. I use the regular curling brushes for the curling of the lashes. This looks kind of scary. Interesting and scary at the same time. Not sure about that. Let's look at the wand. Oh, wow. Okay, it's pretty thick. You see that? Yeah. No smell to it. It's black. Hopefully, I won't be using it right away because I've got so much mascara I've got to go through, folks. Again, this is from Tarte. It has a little curling lash thing. It looks like you have to curl in sections. From Tarte. Next, we have from Dominique Cosmetics, Lemonade Lip Gloss. Ooh. Ooh. I like Dominique Cosmetics. She's coming out with a lot of products lately. Okay, come on out. Look how pretty that shade is. What shade? It's lemonade shade. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let's put some on right now. I don't have any lip gloss on. Put my mirror. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, it tastes so good. I like that. Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Oh, that's pretty. I love the packaging. Again, Dominique Cosmetics. What's the value of this? Valued at $17. It's adds hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with a lightweight, non-sticky balm, like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. Fun. I'm excited to use it. Put my glasses back on so I can see better. I just got new glasses recently, and they're supposed to be full-time glasses, so I'm getting used to it. I usually wear reading glasses, but now this is reading glasses and regular glasses. Age. That's what happens when I can't see. Let's see. Oh, last product. There's a lot of stuff in here. From Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Okay, looks like this. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Okay. Okay. So I guess, when do I use it? I guess I just put it on whenever. Our glow-inducing tonics inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water. A magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Okay. Oh, okay. It's supposed to use for tightening pores and setting makeup. So I'll use it as a setting spray for my makeup. Let's see what it looks like. If it's a fine mist. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it does not smell good either. Again, that is from Skin & Co. Valued at $35. And this is 4 fluid ounces. So that's that. Again, that was my June 2019 BoxyLuxe from BoxyCharm box. Again, valued is supposed to be anywhere between $250 or more. And the monthly subscription, or actually every 3 months, the price is billed to you 21 plus 28. It's about $50 every 3 months. I did not get the regular BoxyCharm this month, so I got the BoxyLuxe. If you're interested in doing so, go ahead and go on to BoxyCharm.com and get your own subscription. That is all for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.